This is chicken tikka, cilantro aioli sauce, and some fresh grilled vegetables. Chicken tikka. It's very easy to make. It's a really good weeknight meal, and it's also good for company. It's quick to whip up and tons of flavor. So we're going to start with some full-fat yogurt. The recipe for this is below in the comments section. I've got some lemon juice, and I've got some minced garlic, a couple of cloves, about a 1-inch knob of ginger, and some onion, some chopped onion. Got some Garam masala, got some chili powder, some ground cumin, some coriander, turmeric, some garlic salt, some fresh cracked pepper, and some kosher salt. And I'm just going to mix this up. There, that's nicely blended. I'm going to take a Ziploc bag. I've got some skinless, boneless chicken breast cut into 1-inch cubes. You can actually marinate lamb or beef. That's really good too, or pork. So I'm just going to put this into the mixture. Just coat it nicely. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Cut this into 1.5 to 2-inch cubes. You can see that the size right there. There, that's nicely coated. There, I got the chicken pieces and the marinade into the Ziploc bag. I'm going to zip it up, burp the air as I go, seal it up tightly, give it a little massage. I'm going to put it on a plate. I'm going to marinate that in the fridge for 1 to 3 hours. You have to remember that when you're using yogurt and lemon juice, it can actually cook your chicken or your beef or your pork or lamb. So I'm going to go into the fridge with this for probably a couple of hours, and then we'll cook it. Okay, my chicken tikka marinated for 2.5 hours, and I flipped it halfway through. I soaked some wooden skewers in some water, and I skewered it. I preheated my grill to a medium-high heat. You don't need to go on the grill if you don't want to. You could actually do this on a cookie sheet underneath a broiler. The best way to do this really would be with a spaducci, where you turn them, or a yakitori, or a hibachi. That would be really good. Over charcoal is really good, but I'm doing it on the gas grill today. So this went for, I'm going to say, probably about 4 minutes aside. I've got some good char on there. I've got some cilantro aioli. The recipe for that is below in the comments. So let's take a look at our chicken. Look at that. That looks good. So I managed to skewer up 2 of them, 2 breasts like that. And then for vegetables to go with this, these are some little peppers that I skewered and I rubbed with an olive oil and garlic salt. And I've got some small zucchinis and some Chinese eggplant on there too. So it's just olive oil and a garlic salt. And they come from the global bucket. And then I did a couple of onions, little onions, and a couple of plum tomatoes. And what I do is I put a little piece of tin foil on the grill underneath the sticks like that, even though they're soaked. You just want to protect the sticks so they don't catch on fire. This is a company-worthy meal, this chicken tikka. And that aioli sauce, the cilantro aioli sauce, is really good. This is my very easy chicken tikka. Thanks for watching.